Profiling Audience by Haninikit Devrapalli. The company that I chose to apply for a full-time opportunity is Vault Workforce Solutions. The reason I chose to apply to this company is because I really like their job description for an entry-level software engineer, and the role fits well with my previous experience in software development. The other reason that really excited me to apply to this company is they're not only into software products and applications, but they're also into manufacturing. That's the other area that I wanted to explore in my career. The picture down here is from one of the service centers in Europe where they manufacture semiconductors. This is the website for Vault Workforce Solutions. Here you can get to know more about their businesses, investors, and about the news about their stocks. I feel Vault has the right attitude in showing information about the investors because having the right investors ensures the growth of the company. Vault is also a global company. It has its locations in Europe, Asia, and India. While these services in Europe primarily focus on manufacturing, while in Asia and India, they primarily focus on software development. The primary readers for this job posting will be Lauren Jones, as she's the one who posted the job. She's the tech stack expert as well as the vice president for the company. So there might be other members in her executive team who might be looking at my profile. Or there might be other HR recruiters who are interested in hiring entry-level software developers or engineers. The secondary readers would be employees who work as software engineers at Vault and have experience with software development. Since the role requires technical experience, they would be the secondary readers because they exactly know what they can expect from the candidate and can ensure the company gets the best one. The territory readers would essentially be the competitors of Vault. Since I'm using LinkedIn to apply for the job, anyone globally can look at my profile and check if I would be the right fit for the position that they have in their company. So essentially, the territory readers would be the competitors of Vault Workforce Solutions.